Today in the gospel, we hear Jesus preaching about those doing things in His name. He said, "Many will say to me on that day, Lord, Lord, did we not prophesy in your name? Did we not drive out demons in your name? Did we not do mighty deeds in your name?" Then I will declare to them solemnly, "I never knew you. Depart from me, you evildoers." Sa gospel ay maaari tayong magtaka. Nag-preach naman at nag-evangelize. So why did the Lord say such words? Simple lang mga ka-G. It is because words are only proven by actions and not by mere eloquence. Jesus Himself has set us an example. Isa siyang powerful speaker, but at the same time, malaki ang pagmamahal niya sa mga mahihirap, naaapi, mga bata at mga balo. He loved and He made His love felt in His actions. Are you ready to do the same? G ka ba?